यहाँ का माहौल मुझे तुर्की के फन प्लेसेस जैसा लग रहा है, especially after finding the youth getting together like that. Bowling is one of those games जो winters में बहुत ज़्यादा खेली जाती है because of the fact कि ये indoor game है. I haven't played bowling in a long time, but I'm hopeful that I will do good. Yay! What a start! क्या आपको पता है कि first indoor bowling lanes न्यूयॉर्क में बनी थी 1840 में? In international competitions, you get a golden turkey when you bowl 9 strikes in a row. Golden turkey is a trophy, by the way. I was not bad at all. Totally impressed by myself, of course. Pina colada has become one of my favorite drinks in Pakistan. तो इसलिए मैं यही order की. It actually looks so delicious. Especially pan pizza looks so yummy as well. It's here. मुझसे और wait नहीं हो रहा. I am so hungry. The service is excellent and the pizzas taste amazing as it is freshly served. लोकेटेड है DHA लाहौर में. यहाँ खाली bowling है नहीं, बाकी वीडियो गेमिंग की फैसिलिटी भी मौजूद है. I found it one of the best places of Lahore जहाँ आप अपने families या दोस्तों के साथ quality time गुजार सकते हैं. The people here remind me of my country.